Hey guys, welcome to TS Auto Repair once more. We're here today with a 2019 Toyota Corolla that has some front end damages to its bumper, fog light, fender, headlight. But the headlight for this car is pretty expensive, so I'll be helping out the customer to glue it back and put it together and hope that solves some of the issues. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.